Taylor Swift is one of the best-selling singer-songwriters in all of history, and at 30 years old, she is a 10-time Grammy Award winner, and her net worth stands at a whopping $360 million. You can catch Taylor Swift in one of her private jets or in one of her houses with her cats. Yeah, you heard that right. Welcome to Young Hustle, and if you care to find out her pets' names or the cost of her homes and cars, well, stick around and enjoy the VIP ride into the $300 million lifestyle of Taylor Swift, giving you a glimpse into her multiple homes, cars, jets, pets, and life on tour. Swift became the first female solo artist to win the Grammy for Album of the Year twice, after her 2014 album 1989. The Singer's award list is one really long one, and I could go on and on about it if I didn't have to tell you what Swift's millionaire lifestyle is all about. Her endorsements with brands such as Coca-Cola, Keds, and Apple have brought her a lot of income, but of course, her major source of money is touring. Her Reputation Stadium tour in 2018 became the highest grossing tour in the US history and grossed $266 million. Now that's a large amount of money. The singer's collection of homes is almost as fascinating as her music career, and her real estate cover $81 million of her net worth. Swift bought her first home at 20 in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a 3,240 square foot condo in Nashville's Music Row with an estimated worth of $3 million. Swift plans to turn her Beverly Hills mansion into a historical landmark. The mansion is the most expensive property of her real estate, and its worth is nearly $30 million. The songstress is known to throw parties at her $6.65 million home in Rhode Island. The 12,000 square feet home contains 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms and views of Block Island Sound and Montauk Point. Swift purchased 2 adjacent penthouses in Tribeca in 2014 and renovated them into one large duplex penthouse of 8,309 square feet with 10 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. The house has an estimated worth of $20.5 million. Her most recent home purchase was in February 2018 for $9.75 million. This condo is on the second floor of the same building as her penthouse, and its estimated value is $6.9 million. You can see why she's called a real estate mogul, don't you? Swift doesn't just have a lot of places to call home. To keep up with her various appointments, Swift also owns 2 private jets which cost $45 million each, and her lucky number 13 is written on both jets. Swift has the following cars in her garage: a Toyota Sequoia, which costs about $50,000, an Audi R8, which is a 7-speed S-Truck sports car and costs about $180,000, and lastly a 2-door 4-wheel Porsche 911 Turbo, which is worth $113,000. Don't you just wish to own one of these beauties? The Lover singer has a soft spot for cats, and so owns 3, 2 of which are Scottish Folds. One of them is named Meredith Grey from Ellen Pompeo's character in Grey's Anatomy. The second, Olivia Benson, is from the crime drama Law & Order, played by Mariska Hargitay. Her third cat is Benjamin Button. Any guess where that name came from? Well, of course, it's Brad Pitt's character in the film The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. 3 cats, approximately around $3,500 each. Guess what Taylor Swift got insured? Her legs, and for $40 million. This is because she didn't want to risk losing everything if she was unable to dance on stage. That's quite something. Other than the lavish spendings of the millionaire, a fair amount of her money is used for charitable donations. Swift donated $100,000 to the 2016 Tennessee wildfire relief, $1 million to the Louisiana flood relief in 2016, and has done much more giving. She is also really generous when it comes to helping her friends and fans. In 2016, she helped Kesha with $250,000 during her sexual assault lawsuit with Dr. Luke, and in 2018 helped a fan whose mother was in a coma with $15,500. Won't you just love to own a private jet? Come tell me in the comment section and let's have a conversation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and comment anything you love about Taylor Swift. I'll see you on the next one.